So let's do a quick retro build. I have this Pentium 1 system, which I gonna turn into an MS-DOS time machine. An MS-DOS time machine is to play 95% of the MS-DOS games ever made. You can turn the speed of the Pentium processor into a 386 CPU by turning off the cache and do some downclocking. If you want to play an old game with speed sensitive, just turn off the cache and you're good to go. The motherboard is an M5 ATA with an ALI chipset. The CPU that is installed is a Pentium 200 MMX. The system has now 64 megabytes of memory and there's a Soundblaster 16 installed Stealth 64 video card. The hard drive is 8 gigabytes and the Cdrom speler is 8 speed. A nice feature of this motherboard is that it has PS2 for the mouse and keyboard. The system is missing a PC speaker, so I'm gonna install one. It's missing the feet on the bottom of the case. I'm gonna change out the video card because the current video card has problems with flat screens. I also gonna install a Voodoo1 card for games like Tomb Raider. The sound card will be swapped to an AWE64. I'm gonna install a 3-COM network card so we can play Doom over the network. I'm gonna install 2 sticks of 8 megabytes. That's more than enough for a MS-DOS time machine. MS-DOS only supports partitions up to 2 gigabytes. So I'm gonna change out the hard drive to a smaller one. Let's find a smaller hard drive. This one is also 8. 8. Also 8. This one is 7.6. 3. Another 3. Here we have a 2 gigabyte Seagate hard drive. I tested all my old drives so I know it's working. Let's see which video cards we have. We have an AT MAG64, another MAG64, SD Trio no name card, an AT 3-day Rage, a Stealth 64 with an MPEG module, and a Stealth 3D 2000 SD Reverse. I think this card will fit the system. So let's install the parts. First we're gonna install the new feet. I got this door stoppers from the local hardware shop and I'm gonna use them as feet. Also you need some bolts and washers to mount them. So put the bolt in the new feet and then install the new feet with the washer and the nut. Now the new feet are installed. Let's change out all the parts. Now we're gonna solder the cable back to the PC speaker. So let's test the system before installing all the cables. I think the VGA connector of the video card has a loose contact. The screws are missing, so I think someone already tried to fix it. I think I'm gonna install the Diamond Stealth 64 with an S3 Trio 64V Plus instead of the other card. Everything is installed now, including the cables, so let's try it out. There's a Windows 95 install on this hard drive, so let's see if it will boot. Let's install DOS.
Testing. 16-bit testing.
The first time I heard this sound out of my AWE64 in 1997, I was amazed. It was such a step above a Soundblaster clone. Now the system and the drivers are installed, let's install some games. I have some original games on diskettes, so let's try them out. We have Monster Bash, Pickle Wars, X-Archon, Jail of the Jungle, Nightmare 3D DOS, Duke Nukem 2, Dr. Riptide, Jackrabbit 2, Biomanage, Keen 5, Keen 1 and Keen 2. All the games are shareware. The Jazz Jackrabbit disc is broken. Thanks for watching this build video. Please like and share this video, subscribe and leave a comment. See you next time.